Hello, I am Rahul, and today we discuss about some important formulas related with electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay, let's see. First, electric potential of charge q with distance r. What is the electric potential to the charge with distance r? Then what will be the electric potential is V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into multiply with P over R square, where P is the dipole moment. P equal to dipole moment. And next, what? Voltage difference. What is the voltage difference between 2 points? Here is one point A and second point B. Now what is the difference of voltage between them? Let us see. Here is 4 volt and here is 2 volt. Then what will be the difference between 2 point? Let's see. Here is 2 point A and point B. Here at the point A, the voltage is 4 volt. At point B, voltage is 2 volt. The difference between 2 points is what? A minus B. Then what? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 volt. So the voltage difference rules between 2 points, point B, point A, then equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q naught bracket 1 upon RB minus 1 upon resistance of A, equal to, in energy form, equal to the, what is the voltage difference? WAB upon Q naught. Then the next is voltage at a point due to group of n charges. If the number of charge is more, then what is the voltage? Equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation of I equal to 1 to n into Qi over Ri. Here is the I is maybe 1, may 2, may 3, dash for n numbers. Then what is the relationship between the potential gradient and electric field? In the electric field and potential gradient relationship is what? E equal to electric field E equal to minus of Dever voltage over Dever R, or Dever voltage over Dever R, or X in the sense X axis is what? Minus Dever V over Dever X. In the Y axis, electric field is equal to minus Dever voltage over Dever Y, or the Ez equal to minus dV over dz. Next is electric potential energy of the 2 point charge system. What? U equal to energy is written by U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2 over R. Next is electric potential energy of n point. Here is the point only 2, and if the point number of point is n, then what is the energy? Equal to U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Then summation of I equal to 1 and j equal to 2 to n equal to what is that? Qj into Qi over Rji. Okay. Then next is electric potential in neutral state due to the electric dipole. What will be the electric potential? V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P over R square, where P is the dipole moment. If the point P is normal to axis, if the point P is other side to the axis. Next is electric potential in neutral state due to the electric dipole is V equal to 0. The derivation will be discussed in the theory lecture. State electric potential at any random point due to of electric dipole is what? V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P into R unit vector over R square. Here is unit vector R equal to is what? R vector over R, mod of R. Next is capacitance. Capacitance is equal to Q, means charge over voltage. Okay, that's clear. Next is capacitance of a spherical capacitor. A spherical capacitor like this, like that. Here is a spherical shape. Okay, having the radius with R. Then the capacitance is what? 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Next is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor in air. If the plate are the parallel form, here is the plates. are settled in the parallel form. Then what is the capacitance is E C equal to epsilon naught A over D. A is the area of plates, D is the distance between two plates. If the distance is D, area A, then what is the capacitance between two plates is this E C equal to epsilon naught A over D. Next is, if the dielectric constant K, then what is the capacitance between two plates in parallel form? Then what is the C equal to K into epsilon naught A over D. Okay, K is what? Dielectric constant. Adjustment of series capacitance. If the capacitance are adjustment in series form, then what will be the capacitance? 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon Cn, C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3, that is 1 upon Cn. It may be increase to n numbers. If the adjustment of the capacitor in the parallel form, then what will be the capacitor? Total capacitor is equal to Cp equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 equal to Cn. Here is the series form. Series form is what? That if capacitor are settled in series form, C3, C2 and C1. Okay, if the parallel form like this, okay, C1, C2, C3, A and B. Okay, we call it. Next is energy stored in a capacitor. What is the energy stored in a capacitor? Is E equal to half Q into V equal to half Q square over C equal to half CV square. C is the capacitor, V is the voltage, Q is the charge. Okay, E is the is it means with E means with energy. Next is combined potential. What is the combined potential between two plates? Is what V equal to V1 C1 plus V2 C2 upon C1 or plus C2. Loss of energy due to redistribution of charges. What is the loss of energy in redistribution of charges? The energy loss is what? E1 minus E2 equal to C1 C2 V1 minus V2 whole square over C1 plus C2 multiply with 2. Okay, electric potential of the dipole at the random point is what? V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P cos theta over R square minus A square cos square theta. The figure is related with this. Here is P is the any random point with distance R, angle theta. Okay, here is the two charges, Q1 is minus Q, Q2 is plus Q. Okay, distance with between two charges is 2a. Okay, then the voltage potential is what? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P cos theta over R square minus A square cos square theta. Okay, that's why. Next is potential energy of a system of three charges. Here is three charges, 1, 2 and 3. Distance is 1 to 2 charges is what? R1. 2 to 3 charges is R3. 3 to 1 charges is R2. Then what is the potential energy? If U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 over R1 plus Q1 Q3 over R2 plus Q3 into Q2 over R3. Okay, thanks for watching.